I researched the protein business market in India so that you don't have to. And honestly, this market is much bigger than most people think. Suddenly, every other brand is selling fruits. So I researched, is this just another health trend or an actual business opportunity? Here's what I found. India has a massive protein deficiency. Almost 70% Indians are protein deficient, and social media just made it more mainstream. It's no longer just gym culture. Normal consumers now want protein in everything, and because of that, the market is exploding. Protein snacks are one of the fastest growing healthy snack categories in India. Here's the interesting part. Most protein brands are selling convenience, guilt-free eating, and healthy snacking. They are adding protein to foods people already love. So even though the protein powder market might feel saturated, this market still has many gaps. And there are also a lot of issues that can arise in this business. My conclusion, protein is no longer a fitness trend. It's becoming a mainstream food category. And brands that make protein feel easy, convenient, and tasty will probably win the market. Comment protein and I'll send you the full research notes, market gaps, mistakes to avoid, and business insights.